In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to speak. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as pragmatics. Pragmatics is the use of language and the context. Listeners and audience, today the topic which I have brought for you, that is about deixis and its types. What is deixis? What are the different types of deixis? And what is the importance of deixis? All these aspects of the topic will be covered in this lecture. So be with me and listen to this lecture from beginning until end. Listeners and audience, whenever we are talking about deixis, deixis refers to any expression or linguistic form that accomplishes pointing. I'm repeating. Deixis refers to any linguistic form or expression that accomplishes pointing. For example, there are so many examples which accomplish pointing. For example, we have that. We have this, these, now, etc. All these are the examples of deixis. Then there are 5 types of deixis. The first type is known as personal deixis. What is personal deixis? Personal deixis refers to any expression or linguistic form that points the person, that indicates or points the person. For example, you, we, I, etc. Let me use in the sentence. For example, you are working hard. You are working hard. And this sentence, you is personal deixis. Why? Because it refers to indicate person. The second type of deixis is space or spatial deixis. Sometimes it can be written with T. This C can be written with T, but the pronunciation is the same. So space or spatial deixis refers to any expression or linguistic form that points or indicates indicate what? Space or location. For example, if I say this, here, there, and date, all these are called space or spatial deixis. The third type of deixis is time or temporal deixis. What is temporal deixis? Temporal deixis are any expression or linguistic form or any word that points or indicates time. And we have such words, for example, I did not use this in a sentence, however, I think it's easy. But come to the example of time or temporal deixis. For example, if I say, he is writing now. So he is writing now, today. For example, now, today. So now this is indicates time. If today indicates time, he is writing tonight. So tonight indicates time. Then we have discourse deixis. What is discourse deixis? Discourse deixis refers to any expression or linguistic form that points the previous or the forthcoming segment of discourse. I'm repeating. Discourse deixis refers to any expression or linguistic forms that points or indicates the previous or the forthcoming segment of discourse. For example, sometime if we are talking or communicating We want to share our previous knowledge or previous information. So we say that in previous chapter we study, in previous chapter. So in previous chapter refers to discourse Deixis, because here we indicate the previous segment of the discourse, and sometimes we say in the next chapter. So in the next chapter here is the discourse Deixis, because here we refers to the forthcoming segment of the discourse. And then we have social Deixis. Social Deixis refers to the social status or mark the social status of the person or people. For example, sometimes we have Mr. and we also have your majesty, and there are some other words as well, like Misters, your majesties, honor, your honor. All these are the examples of Deixis, and particularly social Deixis. So hope that this topic is clear to you.